Hi, my name is Grace. I'm a pharmacist here at Town & Country Compounding Pharmacy. In this video, I'll show you how to properly use your Topi-CLICK micro pen. So this is how it looks. It has a cap and a base. It's important when you receive your medication that you prime it before your first application. You can do it by tapping it on a countertop or a flat surface. I'll just show you using my palm. You're going to give it a couple taps so that it gets rid of any air bubbles trapped inside. Then you'll be opening up the cap. It's a screw cap. And you'll be slowly turning the base a couple times. It may take several clicks, however many it takes until you see the cream rise to the surface. You can wipe the excess, and now it's ready for use. So this is a nice rubber slanted tip. It's great for, this pen is great for dispensing small amounts, usually for veterinary use or for hormone use. And this is how you're going to use it. According to your prescription label, whatever your doctor prescribes, you'll know how many clicks to use. You'll hear and feel the clicks. All right, and the cream will rise to the surface. And you could easily just rub it in with the built-in applicator until it's absorbed completely. Or you could use your fingertip, but it's not necessary. If you do, make sure that you wash your hand thoroughly. And when you're done, you just want to make sure that you screw the cap back on securely so that it doesn't evaporate or create any clog, or the cream doesn't dry up in the opening. Make sure you read all your storage labels and follow the instructions as your doctor instructed. And that's it. And feel free to call us at 201-447-2020. We'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you.